Hey there, Snapchat users. Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of deleting your Bitmoji in Snapchat. If you're looking to remove your Bitmoji from your profile, stick around for this full guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 2. On your profile page, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Step 3. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on Bitmoji. This will open the Bitmoji customization options. Step 4. Now, find the option that says Unlink My Bitmoji and tap on it. This will remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat profile. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete your Bitmoji in Snapchat, allowing you to make changes to your profile or start fresh. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.